This is the Silver Tower, a Chicago, Burlington, and Quincy parlor dome observation, which is now for sale on OzarkMountainRailcar.com. This is the small parlor area in the vestibule of the car. This was the former mural that was on the bulkhead in the small lounge. This is a former restroom that was converted into a kitchen. This is one of the restrooms. This is the other restroom. This is the observation lounge of the car. This would have been one large room with parlor chairs in it originally. This is the entrance to the dome. The dome area would originally had all coach seats for 24 passengers up here.